Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening the PW app and signing in with your primary account. This grants the app access to your dashboards. Once authenticated, make sure your device has a stable network connection and any corporate VPN settings are correct, because delayed loading usually stems from connectivity. Next, check the app version in settings and update if needed. Older builds can hide dashboard features. You're now ready for the first in-app navigation step. Tap the menu icon to continue into the dashboard area. Once the menu is open, tap Dashboards and pick the workspace where your dashboard lives. You must choose the correct workspace because dashboards are scoped per account. After selecting it, set the time range and refresh interval so data pulls match what you need. Mismatched ranges often show empty widgets. Then apply filters, user, project, tags, because they narrow results and prevent long load times. If charts still show placeholders, trigger a manual refresh while watching the network indicator for blocked requests. To finalize, pin the dashboard to your home or favorite list so you can open it instantly next time. This saves navigation steps. If you need to present or archive the view, export a snapshot or share it with team members using the app's share function, because that preserves filters and time settings. If widgets fail to load, clear the app cache, sign out and sign back in, and if necessary, capture error logs and contact support. Include workspace ID, timestamps, and the exact filter set you used.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.